Alright, so I got a speaker system going in here today. Bought new speakers. I've bought a Bluetooth head unit. It's not a head unit, sorry. I've bought a Bluetooth amplifier, little mini one, which will get mounted in the car. And yeah, no head unit. It's going to be an interesting one. So let me know what you think. If you think this is a good idea off road. And yeah, enjoy it. Do you like my mug? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the old speakers. Now I don't know what ohmage these are, but if they're a same ohm as the one...
What the hell did you just say?
So I don't know what ohm the speakers are that are in here at the moment, but if they are the same ohm rating as the speakers I just bought, I'm actually going to build little boxes and put them in the back. We've got all this to sort out. So yeah, fun. So pulling this out, I get these two little cables here, which are for the speakers. They actually run up to a little connection here, which is great. So as long as I can connect the speakers onto this, I will extend this wire. One done. I ain't gonna show you the other side because it'll be the exact same, so. All right, the speakers are in. Now from this point here, which runs to the speaker, I'm gonna run back to the ashtray because that's where the amp's gonna go now, in the ashtray, and do that on the other side. So I'll do that now. All right, time to work out this debacle with a bit of wiring. Good words, Jay. Alright, these two here are accessory power. There's also power on this. There's also absolutely nothing on this. So all I need is 12 watt power. So I'll probably take it from these two, just run those down to here, and then we can start just sort of dummy wiring everything up and see if it works. Alright, change of plan. This wasn't, I can't say, those weren't giving me enough voltage. They were only giving me close to 11. This here gives me 13, and I'm operating on 13. This is a 12 to 24 volts, so cool. On a bit of a upward angle, but I reckon that's really good. It means I'm not destroying the interior. I want to try and be as uninvasive, sorry, as I can be. So I'll wire them up, and then we'll see if we can get them going. All right, all hooked up, just like that. Bluetooth is gone blue. It's connected to my phone. We'll just set those to the middle. We'll put this to sort of, I don't know. We'll just start there for now, and we'll see what happens here. Alright, so that's pretty much how I want it to sit. I'm going to try and 3D print something to fill in here, but for the moment I'm going to make a bit of wood. I'm going to Van Neistat this shit. Yeah. Son of a bitch.
This thing looks cool as shit, man. I was gonna paint it, but I kind of like the idea of keeping it just keeping it raw. I reckon it looks vintage as. So yeah, I'm gonna fuck around with it for a day or two, maybe take the car for a drive today, and give you my thoughts. So